Hey, everybody. Thank you for stopping back by. If you're new, welcome. If not, welcome back. I hope that you're having a great day. Today, you might be able to hear it because my microphone is right by this cellophane. I am doing, it's not an unboxing, an unbagging of a gift basket that I got from an event that I attended recently. I will put the information for the coach. Her name is Coach Nikki. She hosted an event back in February for Valentine's Day. However, I did not get a chance to film until March. And whenever you're seeing this, it'll probably be late March. I'm finally going through the basket and telling you all what I won. Actually, the interesting thing was I hadn't planned on entering, but the winner had left, and Coach Nikki was moved to just give me the basket. So thank you to her. And I wanted to take the time to show the items in the basket so that I can give all of the shine to the different contributors because these items were donated for the contest winner. So the first thing, and this is a nice sized basket with a lot of things in it. There are books, there is jewelry, there are candles. Let's see if I can do this without capturing too much sound on this microphone. So the first thing is a book. The book is The Unvoiced Pain, Releasing Depression and Anxiety by Danielle M. Gilbert, visionary author. It is one of those collaborative books. Basically, how can I describe it? It's almost like an anthology, but a little different. And so, along with the main author, who is Danielle Gilbert, there are 8 other authors, and I will say their names so that you can look them up if you're interested. Destini Braxton, can I talk? Destini Braxton, Dr. Shantell Chambliss, Stacy Crawley, Joy Donaldson, Dr. Shonda Harris-Muahmmed, Andrea, AJ Sanders, Dr. Tabatha Spurlock, and Tiffany Winfield. And this is the story of 8 women who bravely share their journeys of surviving grief, infertility, molestation, low self esteem, and postpartum recovery. So, all of the different things that can take you through, well, not all of the different things, some of the things that can take you to places of anxiety and depression, they all share their stories in here. So I'm looking forward to reading this. I got to make sure I'm in a good headspace because I don't want to find my mood lowered. So I got to make sure I'm in a good headspace. But that should be still a very good read. And I like inspirational things like that, especially people who come full circle into their wholeness. Now, the next thing that is in here, I do believe this is a notebook. Yes, this is Coach Nikki's branded notebook. It says Coach with Nikki. So just it's a nice, simple notebook. I do like that it has the date sections at the top. You can number your memos so that you can kind of keep up with your thoughts if you're using something like that. Now, this, I do remember when I peeked in, I was thrilled to get this, but I was kind of sad that there's no branding on it. I am going to get back with Coach Nikki, ask her who contributed this delicious smelling candle, and then I will do a separate video on the candle once I light it and get a chance to smell it and figure out who donated it. But this is absolutely what appears to be a homemade candle. It has herbs right in it, very pretty, but no branding, unfortunately. So can't tell you who made that, but when I know, I'll make a video on it. The next thing is NikNik Kreations, where dopeness is created. And it is a pair of earrings. These are so cute, you guys. Look at this. Aren't they adorable? And these are made by of course, NikNik. Um, and they don't, Nick's name is not on here, her actual name, but NikNik Kreations. Again, all the details will be below. These are some very, very cute vintage looking black background with white polka dot earrings. They are pierced. It is a Richmond, Virginia company. Very, very nice. These are beautifully made too. material, like they're flawless. Sometimes you get fabric earrings like that and they have a little bit of puckering or a little bit of slack in them where they don't look that great. Yeah, these are perfect. And she also included some jewelry instructions here for your convenience, just basic things on how to maintain the quality of these fabric earrings, because fabric earrings do have different requirements than plastic or gold, silver, other metal earrings. Every piece of jewelry has its own care requirements. Okay, the next item in the box. This I have not opened, have I? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. It is from Diamond Baby, and it is a dental care kit. I love stuff like this, especially because I love to travel. Um, this is perfect. So you've got your toothbrush, you've got some charcoal powder, which I've never tried. I really am looking forward to trying this. I've bought one before, but I don't know what happened to it. I think I lost it in the midst of moving. Um, so she's got in this box because I met the lady behind Diamond Baby at the event. You've got the toothbrush, you've got the charcoal powder, which you can brush with. You've got, of course, Crest 3D White. You've got, it looks like this is a lip scrub. It's a lip scrub and the scrubber brush. And you've got a lip balm. So I am very excited about that. The lip scrub I have to use pretty soon because it looks like it has an expiration date, but very, very nice. Diamond Baby Diamond Baby Gems is the company that sponsored this box. They do tooth gems, which is really cool to me. I never think of doing things like that with my own image, but it's a really cool idea that you can add jewelry to your smile and it's not as drastic as like a grill or some of the other things that you can use. You can just put a little gem on your tooth, and that is really cute and totally up some people's alley. Love it. This is, it's a little mesh bag, very cute bag, and it is Lady Sassy, and let's see, is this a card? It does look like a card. Oh, okay. It looks like you get a card where if you buy accessories, you can get free accessories. It's like a rewards card kind of where you can buy, I think it says 12 accessories and then you get the 13th free. Did I have any accessories from her in here? I don't think so. If I did, they may have fallen into the bag. Um, I don't see them though. If I see the accessories, I'll let you know. But we're working with what we got here. So we've got a lipstick duo, which this I actually have this color before. This is by LA Colors. So some nice filler just to give you some extra treats in a bag like this. It's always welcome. And this is a piece of jewelry from Paparazzi. Now, this that I just had, maybe that is Paparazzi. Maybe she is a paparazzi salesperson. Yes, this is what she put in the bag. That's very cute. Okay, so it looks like this is a flower earring and necklace set. And so that is the necklace. Look at that. I love copper, rose gold-esque, bronze-esque things. So, but copper and rose gold are my top, and then I'll do like bronze and regular gold. But it's got the earrings and the necklace. And again, the paparazzi salesperson, her name is, I want to make sure I say it correctly, Valencia Lady Sassy Newsome Posey. So Valencia Newsome Posey is the person who contributed this item. Again, her information will be below. Let's see. S Breezy Pilates. I need some Pilates. It says at Serenity Fitness RVA. So a nice little silicone band that also promotes something I need, which is Pilates. We've got a cute little pedicure set, so wonderful for your self-care. And along with the pedicure set, we have these detoxifying scented foot pads. I've never done these. Whoops, I hope I didn't hit the microphone. I probably did. I've never done these. These fascinate me. I can't wait to try them because I like that kind of stuff. It's fun to me. We've got a loyalty card, I think, for the Pilates, S Breezy's Pilates. And I get one free class. Nice. So I'm going to try it because Lord knows I could use some stretching. And let's see the next item. This is a pen from Coach Nikki. The CWN brand is her company. And so that's really cute. Here's a pair of glasses. I don't see a company listed with these. So I don't know if these were just kind of like supplemental stuff like the pedicure set and the foot pads or whatever. But these are cute. Let's pull them out the bag. These are not what I would normally reach for, but I think they're really, really, oh gosh, these cover so much eye area. That is so perfect. Ignore the tag. Oh my gosh, just think of the rest I could give my eyes with that and look at my ring light, child. Anyway, yes, that is great. I love that. I think it doesn't look it looks very modern in hand, but on your face it does not look like it's doing too much. I like that. And my eyes are going to love getting a rest cuz I always forget to do sunscreen. I don't know why. I have an ink pen in here. Um, I don't know why that's there. I think that might be my ink pen somehow. Anyway, and then I've got this lovely handmade card by Kimberly J. And there's a mirror. And it says, "You are what awesome looks like." Let's cover up some of the mirror to spare you all. But there it is. And we've got some notes from the various contributors. And it says, "Thanks for being so phenomenal." So that's it. That is the basket, you guys. And I will put all of the information below, all the contributors, all of the items that were in the basket and where you can find them. Thank you again to Coach Nikki. I'm going to make sure to let her know that this video is up when it's live. And yeah, that is it. I just wanted to just chat with you all, share that with you all. Please let me know if you have read the book, bought any of the products that are listed in here, or if you know who made the candle. Because I don't know who's going to see this video. If you know who made the candle, please tell them I need their info. Because if I love the candle, I'm going to want to buy more because you all know I will review a candle in a heartbeat. So that's it. Please take care of yourselves. I will talk to you all very soon, and bye.